Hi, I'm Matt. I will explain you what is Bitcoin in a few easy steps. Bitcoin is a type of digital money that people can use to buy things online. It's like regular money, but instead of paper bills or metal coins, it's all online. People use computers to make sure no one can cheat when using Bitcoin, and it's not controlled by any one person or company. The Bitcoin network is maintained by a network of nodes and miners, who work together to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Therefore, no single entity, including governments, has control over Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. To this day, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown. The true identity of the creator of Bitcoin has never been revealed, and it remains a mystery to this day. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto has been the subject of much speculation and investigation over the years, but no one has been able to definitively prove who they are. Bitcoin can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection, regardless of where they are in the world. This means that people who don't have access to traditional banking systems can still participate in the global economy. Bitcoin transactions are secured using complex mathematical algorithms that make it very difficult to hack or steal funds. This can provide users with a greater sense of security than traditional financial systems. The rise of Bitcoin has spurred a wave of innovation in the financial technology industry. Companies are exploring new ways to use blockchain technology to create new financial products and services that could transform the way we interact with money. Bitcoin can be bought and sold on crypto exchanges and can be used to purchase goods and services. Its value has been highly volatile over the years, with significant gains and losses in short periods. Despite its risks, some people see it as a potential alternative to traditional currencies or a store of value similar to gold. Bitcoin has also brought attention to the potential of blockchain technology to transform various industries beyond finance. That's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video about Bitcoin basics. I hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding this exciting and rapidly evolving technology. Subscribe to CryptoKnowit for more content. Take care.